Welcome to an incredible journey into the world of professional timber harvesting. In this video, you'll witness the power, precision, and versatility of specialized forestry machinery operating across various terrains and conditions. Let's dive into the action. This blue forwarder demonstrates its strength, climbing steep slopes and navigating rugged terrain. Equipped with tracks for extra grip, it's built to handle the toughest jobs. In this segment, a green harvester showcases its skill, expertly felling trees and trimming branches with remarkable speed and precision. The yellow car moves through the forest, collecting branches and wood. It is a seamless display of strength and agility in action. Even in low-light, snowy conditions, this red harvester gets the job done, using its bright lights to ensure precision while trimming branches. On rugged slopes, the yellow forwarder continues to amaze, showing its adaptability to challenging terrain by collecting and processing timber effortlessly. Here, a green harvester takes on the snowy forest with ease, cutting and preparing timber efficiently despite the icy conditions. A yellow harvester operates at full capacity, trimming and stacking logs neatly, showcasing its high performance. A fully loaded timber truck makes its way down a forest road, marking the next phase of this streamlined process. On a steep slope, a yellow harvester works tirelessly, trimming and stacking logs while maintaining balance and efficiency. Step inside the cabin of the woodcutter and the operator exudes precision and control, making it all look easy. On steep terrain, the log transporter in the collection area handles the challenge with impressive skill. An excavator moves logs in the storage yard. From a high vantage point, the organization and scale of the operation are clearly visible. The vehicle moves easily on slopes, demonstrating its versatility and adaptability to various terrains. On the distant hillside, the machine is working tirelessly, proving its effectiveness even in the harshest environments. The transporter carefully collects wood on slippery, steep terrain, overcoming challenges with precision and strength.